Hi guys, down on the beach at Hope Cove, low tide. Just set one of my GoPros up to do a bit of time lapse, see if we can see the limpets moving. And I've just realised I've got the back of the tripod resting on a limpet. So if that limpet moves, the tripod's going to tip. I could move it. On the other hand, I could leave it like that just to see if it does move, for the fun of it. So yeah, we'll just sit here quietly and see what's going on the beach. Hi guys, always try and film the limpets when we're out on holiday. Usually use one of my action cameras. I've got my Canon sitting there at the moment. It's really not the best thing to do. You want a time-lapse, long duration. I just thought I'd film this though, because while I'm trying to film limpets up through there, that one just there is walking around, which is typical because it's not in camera shot. I don't know if we'll see it move. Probably can't tell with my hand shaking anyway, but it is going. Yep. He's going for a walk. Can I get any closer? You might be able to see its feeler or whatever sticking out bottom right side. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.